Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. In a perfectly competitive market, the productive firms are price takers. The total revenue of a firm is the market price of the good multiplied by the firm's output of the good. For a price-taking firm, market price becomes equal with its average revenue. For a price-taking firm, marginal revenue is equal to market price. The demand curve that a firm faces in a perfectly competitive market is perfectly elastic. It is a horizontal straight line at the market price. The profit of a firm is the difference between total revenue earned and total cost incurred. If there is a positive level of output at which a firm's profit is maximized, in the long run, three conditions must hold at the output level. 1. The market price will be equal with the respective marginal cost. 2. The marginal cost will be non-decreasing. 3. The price will be exceeding than the average cost. The short-run supply curve of a firm is the rising part of the SMC curve from and above minimum average variable cost together with zero output for all prices less than the minimum average cost curve. The long-run supply curve of a firm is the rising part of the long-run marginal cost curve from and above minimum long-run average cost curve together with zero output for all prices less than the minimum long-run average cost curve. Technological progress becomes responsible to shift the supply curve of a firm to the right. An increase or decrease in input prices becomes instrumental to shift the supply curve of a firm to the left or right. The imposition of a unit tax shifts the supply curve of a firm to the left. We can obtain the market supply curve by the horizontal summation of the supply curves of individual firms. The price elasticity of supply of a good is the percentage change in quantity supplied due to 1% change in the market price of the good.